Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mr. Pessimist. Today I'm going to give a review about a short film which has been suggested by one of my subscribers. Today I'm going to give you a review about a short film that is Brides of Jesus. Now I personally don't watch much of a short film. I'm rather a type of a commercial guy and a proper 2 or 1.3 hours movie guy. I am not a kind of a short film guy, but after he suggested this short film, I was a bit cynical. Should I watch it or should I not? But after giving a lot of thought, I thought that why not just let give it a try. Now this name just confused me a lot because I was in a literally I was not in my mind that should I watch this film because it's a Bride of Jesus. Now should I have to read the Bible stuff again, or should I have to go through religious stuff? After keeping a stone in my heart, I thought, why not, let's go and watch it. Why such thinking? Then I watched the film. Now the link of this movie is in my description below, so definitely go and check it out. And without further delay, let's move into the review of Brides of Jesus. Now I'm going to give you a little plot and then my personal review about it, and I'm also give you a little synopsis of all the characters so that you will be able to understand it, those who are not into this kind of short films. Now what I meant about in such kind of short films is this kind of short films are a bit tricky to understand because it's not a proper story that you will be able to understand throughout it. At first you have to go through a certain screenplay to understand it. Now I have also pinned down the link of that screenplay description down below in my description box. You should definitely go and check it out. Don't make the mistake that I made. First you have to read the screenplay and then you have to watch this film. It would be a better sequence, I would rather say, if you want to watch the short film and want to understand it. So within a such short span of time, I didn't get much time to remember or memorize the names that who have directed it, so I'm going to read it out. Just pardon me, I'm sorry because I couldn't remember it. So yeah, the name of this movie is Brides of Jesus, and the screen running time is about 16 minutes 40 seconds, I guess. And the direction of this short film is Joey Barton, who has been the music director of this short film. It has been directed by Josh Zambrano and Joey Barton himself. The music album of this short film has also been given in my description box. There's a link below, just don't forget to check it out. The name of the song is Inside Me. Trust me, the name is so perfect and it such goes with the short film that you won't be able to understand it first, but after watching the film, it's so relatable. Now I'm going to give you a little synopsis about the characters of this film. The first starting character of this film, or rather the lead role play, is Cece, whose name is Catherine Zurbata, and Natalie Vaughn, who has been playing the role Tigra. So I'm going to tag them as Cece and Tigra. So let's move on to the synopsis of the plot. The synopsis of the plot is very simple. I'm going to keep it very low and very simple so that you can understand. Now here the character has been introduced by the director Cece, who has been seen walking through the lane towards her journey to a audition of a band which has been suggested by her friend Tigra, who at first he was a bit cynical and she thought, why should she go there, she doesn't even know them. But after saying that, Tigra made her listen to her own album. I mean to say that their album Brides of Jesus. After telling them, Tigra made her listen to one of her compositions of the band, and after that she was much satisfied and was ready to go for the audition. Now the way how Cece went through the lane to the audition, you won't believe me, but when you watch it, there's a story in itself. As the second passes by, at first I was not able to understand it, but after few realization, after watching it 2-3 times, I got to understand what is that made it so popular and has been nominated in so many in so many countries and so many award shows. Now the thing is that the director in such a short span of time has been able to tell us so many things, that being a nun, we know that in a church is very tough. If you have to follow your dreams as a rock, if you want to see himself or herself as a rock band girl, now it's very much difficult for a nun to have her dreams like that. Now within her walking through the lane, the symbols have been so beautifully designed that it all shows that you should not go there. There are hurdles that you will see with each passing symbols. Now she ultimately crosses them and reaches the audition center. Now as she reaches the audition center, the out characters, I mean to say those people who are outside the audition areas, they are so beautifully characterized and choreographed that you will be just I said hurdles are the things that not only represents or not only depicts the symbols, but also the words that has been conversed between two people. So when you watch it, you will be able to understand it. Ultimately she reaches there and she gives an audition, and the beautiful transition happens there. Now that I'm going to speak after this section, so let's go to that section. First, I'm going to talk about the color effects. I mean, literally, I am so happy after watching the bass bump neon effects in that particular short film. I personally am a big fan of music. I'm a big fan of musical dramas, music. I love to watch them. By the way, if you want to suggest me any movies that I'm going to give you a review about, many musical movies, please comment down below. If you want to make me review any movie, so I'm open to any movie suggestions and reviews, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel also. Now coming back to my section, that the bass bumps, the neon effects has been put out so beautifully, you won't be able to move your eyes a bit. Secondly, I will be telling about the editing of the transition, the characters. They are very perfectly placed everywhere. You won't be able to understand in such short span of time. These things are so perfect that you won't be able to make any negative or critical acclaim out of it. Now again, it's my point of view that I'm providing you. Maybe when you watch it, you will be able to interfere or interpret something else. Now it's openly unbiased thing that I'm talking about. It's just that it's my point of view. So yeah, so the neon effects are great again, and the character transitions, yes, when it is just the director is very the director played very smartly. Now when we know as a of nun, as a generally the characters of nun are very silent, not a very outspoken, a bit timid timid to herself, or rather than a shy and a very calm personality. Now the personality has been shown in its color effects. When the movie starts with a very monochromatic color, with a off-white or off-white greenish stuff. Now that depicts a bit of a silence and very calmliness. Now such transition of characters from a completely different monochromatic greenish white to a black and dark, and so many dark color effects palettes in an auditorium is just awesome. In a short span of time, the director has made it show very good in a very good way actually. Now the surprise I told you at the starting of my video is just that the subscriber is none other than one of the character in the movie itself, that is Stephen Michael Martin. Yeah, after giving a little brainstorm, I was able to recognize him. At first when I went into his channel, I could not recognize him, but yeah, that is him. You can definitely go and check out his channel. I have also pinned the description below. You can definitely go and check it out. So this was my review about the short film. So please tell me wherever I am wrong or wherever I am right. So please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. You are not subscribing it, just subscribe the channel. What's in it? Like if you want any movie to give me a review, or any movies that you want to take facts about, just comment down below. And don't forget to follow me in Instagram and Facebook. So please go and check out my channels and my social media stuff. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you.